यार मुझे तो बुक रिव्यूज़ भी लिखना नहीं आता। I remember saying to my best friend on a call when I started Ankita's bookshop on Instagram. And now I am saying यार ये YouTube पे क्या करना है। लेकिन ठीक है, वो भी मज़े मज़े में स्टार्ट किया था, ये भी मज़े मज़े में करेंगे। एंड वैसे भी कौन ही देख रहा है। फॉर दी 20-30 पीपल हु आर वॉचिंग दिस, थैंक you really mean the world to me. And so today I'll be sharing my story of how Ankita's bookshop started. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे बात का बतंगड़ बनाना अच्छा लगता है। I have been saying for years that I want to read more, I want to write more. कुछ तो करना है यार। And ऐसा नहीं है that I was not doing any of it before. In fact, I had a full-fledged Instagram account, especially for writing. So I started that account back in 2017, I guess, when I was doing undergraduation. And slowly, that account grew up to I think 3,000 followers. I used to write quotes, Hindi poems, शेर और शायरी जो भी मन करता था. I also remember I wrote some short stories and there were like chapters in it, and I used to post it. And but I found some people who were actually interested in reading all those stories. I think those were very Wattpad kind of things. And yes, once I also wrote on Wattpad. Guilty. It has 1000 posts, जिसमें से I think कुछ तो मैंने delete किए थे starting में. तो can you imagine the amount of effort I put in that account? लेकिन ठीक है, जितना effort I was putting, the more followers I was losing. So at some point I gave up on that. But then I started preparing for MBA, then I went for MBA, and I was not that consistent. Then I thought ठीक है, अभी प्लेसमेंट पे फोकस करते हैं. Once I get a good job, उसके बाद तो टाइम ही टाइम है. या श्योर, लेकिन कितना भी ट्राई कर लो बनी, MBA के साथ में आप कुछ कर लो, बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. तो देन कॉर्पोरेट हैपेंड, एंड इतने पूरे टाइम में ऐसा नहीं है कि आई टोटली स्टॉप्ड. आई वॉज डूइंग, बट दैट फ्लो वॉज नेवर देयर. So for a very long time, I lost that connection from creative process, but I knew कि मुझे ये करना है. Then came April 2025, 6 months after my marriage. Oh yes, somewhere between this story we also got married. That was in November 2024. I saw this book recommendation on Saloni's story, and I take Saloni's recommendation very seriously, and so should you. I saw this book recommendation on her story, which is Days at the Morisaki Bookshop, which you must have seen already because it's getting a lot of attention on Instagram. And ऐसा नहीं है कि this is a very crazy, you have to read it वाला book. It's a nice, simple, cozy book. But that simple book ignited something in me. I finished that book in a single night. And sometimes you just need that, right? Sometimes ऐसे एक रात में ही वो बुक ख़त्म कर देना. That was exactly what I needed. So I finished that book. I felt so good after reading it that I went to Instagram. I had this another spare account which I had created a year back. लेकिन I never knew कि क्या करना है. I just had that account. Okay? यार ये कितना वियर्ड है, मतलब एकदम से इट हिट मी. आई एम टॉकिंग टू अ कैमरा. क्या बोल रही थी मैं? समटाइम्स यू जस्ट नीड अ लिटिल पुश, थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन, है ना. सो दैट बुक बिकेम दैट फॉर मी. आई क्लिक्ड अ फ्यू पिक्चर्स ऑफ दैट बुक. आई डिड नॉट इवन नो कि हाउ टू राइट अ बुक रिव्यू. ओके, आई डोंट थिंक आई नो इवन नाउ. अभी भी आई दैट सेम कि हाँ ठीक है, बुक अच्छी थी नहीं थी, व्हाट एल्स. तो I clicked a few pictures. I posted on that new Instagram account. Then I posted ऐसे ही जो भी books I was buying, reading, जो भी मन कर रहा है, कुछ भी. धीरे धीरे that account became a proper books account, and I named it Ankita's Bookshop. Now why bookshop? Because I have this dream कि ऐसे एक bookshop होनी चाहिए. There has to be coffee in it. वो smell coffee की जो होती है, वो coffee aroma has to surround entire bookstore. Then there has to be flowers outside. तो वहाँ पे आर्ट्स का सामान भी मिलना चाहिए. You got it right. सब कुछ होना चाहिए बुक शॉप है, बट दैट इज़ द ड्रीम। लेकिन हाल फिलहाल के लिए ये इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट ही अपना सब कुछ है। सो आई नेम्ड इट अंकिता's बुक शॉप, वेयर आई वॉज प्लानिंग कि जैसा जो मन करेगा आई विल डू, आई विल नॉट स्टिक टू वन फॉर्मेट कि यही करना है। एंड सी बुक रिव्यूज़ ऑल्सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू गूगल एंड जस्ट सर्च, राइट? सो I don't think reviews या plot का पूरा details people come to Instagram to read all of that. And there are already so many good bookstagrammers out there who are writing such detailed reviews and everything. So I think it's okay for me if I just put the books that I am liking and हाँ ये books मुझे अच्छी लगी, ये मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगी, या फिर मुझे क्या अच्छा लगा, what I felt while reading it. And the whole vibe of reading, the joy of reading, I think I am more interested in that. So that's what I have been doing for the past 6-7 months, and I am actually enjoying that. Because of this account, I think I read at least 4 to 5 books every month. And I'm not someone who likes to keep account कि कितना books हमने पढ़ा है, because again I am reading for the joy of it, मुझे बस पसंद है। And I also don't encourage कि आपको ऐसे टिक करना है कि इतने बुक्स पढ़ने हैं, इस वजह से ही we will read. Even if you are reading one book, it's fine. अगर पूरे मंथ में एक बुक you have read, लेकिन you enjoyed yourself while reading it, ठीक है, then that is good enough, right? Who told you कि इतने सारे बुक्स पढ़ने होते हैं? And if you are able to read, भाई बहुत अच्छी बात है। And धीरे धीरे when I got settled with this entire bookstagram thing, then I was like ऐसे कैसे settlement, ये तो होता ही नहीं है ना, we have to do something. Then I had this crazy idea, चलो अभी YouTube try करते हैं हम। Books I'm going to read, the places I'll travel, the stories we are making. I want to speak to you about each and everything. And I think you got the gist, right? That why I'm doing all of this is to reconnect with this joy of reading and writing and everything creative. Books, travel, stories, or basically everything. Whatever I feel like doing, I'll write about it, I'll capture those things and I'll share with you. Do whatever has to be done, right? Subscribe to the channel, comment down, tell me what you want to know, what kind of videos we should make, because honestly मुझे भी नहीं पता है। I am as clueless as you.